Everybody, this is Lano again from Modern Home Systems Rancho Santa Fe, bringing you today's tech tip: Safari extensions. Okay, extensions is a fun way of basically customizing your Safari browser to your liking. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to open up Safari. I'll give you an example of a few of my favorites that I use. Right here you can see we have Modern Home Systems. The website we're going to want to go to is actually right here. If you go up to the Safari, you'll see this one. It says Safari Extensions. All you have to do is select that. It'll open up a new tab. And here you go, it'll take you to the Apple Safari Extensions. You can see here's what the page layout looks like. You have multiple plugins, and basically different developers create their own plugins that you can add up here in your toolbar. And they basically let you customize your Safari experience by maybe having little shortcuts. In this case, you can see here some featured ones under popular. There's ad block, Facebook photo, click to flash. I have some of these are my favorites, and I'll show you how they're used. You can also go through recents, and you can see here's category: security, social networking. The recents is there. If you're already browsing, this is where you'll find some of the ones that you've already looked at before. And of course there is some featured ones here that'll scroll across, very similar to like iTunes and everything that they recommend. Now I'm going to show you how to enable it. So once you have selected the ones you like, you can actually install here, or you can further click into the actual plugin and you can get a better description, or go to the actual developer's website. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable them here. So what you want to do is go to Safari. Once you have clicked install now, of course, I'm going to go into preferences, and at the top here you can see extensions. You probably noticed this before, and here you have all your plugins that you have. The few that I use are LastPass, AdBlock, Turn Off the Lights. This one is Cleaner Videos, Facebook Zoom, and Awesome Screenshots. So this will take an entire screenshot of the internet page you're on. It's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is you would go through the ones you want. You can enable them or disable them, or uninstall them if you no longer want them. Also, inside of some of them there is some more custom settings to further customize the web page, or customize the actual settings within each plugin. So I have all mine enabled, and now I'm going to show you which each one of them do. So in this case, I'm going to go to YouTube, and I have the cleaner YouTube videos on. You can automatically see when I go through YouTube, I don't like ads on or things like that. So this is where two of them come in handy. And that would be the one here. It's called ad block. So automatically when you're on YouTube, you don't see the little side ads. It really cleans it, makes it a lot more simple to view and less cluttered, which I do like. We also have that with the combination of the cleaner app, which will automatically, every time you go on YouTube, it'll automatically be in this format when it's enabled. You see a lot simpler, white background, simple videos. I really like that a lot. Also, I'm going to show you one here as well. It's really cool. Turn off the lights, which I enabled with all these. So let's go to one of our videos here on YouTube. Let's click on a Conan video. Once it loads up, you can see the videos here. One thing that kind of bothers me is when you're watching a video and you see the white background, it kind of distracts. With Turn Out the Lights, this is really neat. You click this button and it dims out the background, so mainly you can just focus on what the video is. You can still scroll down and see everything else you need to see there, knowing which one you want to select on next. Of course, you would have to hit lights off, and then you can go and select the ones you want. But when watching the video, just select lights off, and you get this nice view. Really pulls you into the video that you're watching. This is a funny video here. Another cool one we're going to get into is going to be the Facebook zoom in, and that again is under preferences, and you can see here Facebook photo zoom. This is really cool when you're hovering over a photo and you really don't want to click into the photo to see what it is. This one's already pretty big, but let's see, once I hover over it, you can get a bigger version of the photo. So you don't have to click into the photo and get into a separate screen. You can just kind of hover over people, like this person here. You can hover over them, you can get a close-up of their picture. That's a really cool one to have on there as well. Alright, one of the last things I'm going to show you is once you've selected all the ones you want to download, I'm going to show you how to arrange it. Basically, you can click anywhere in your toolbar up here I two-finger click or right-click with your mouse, hit Customize Toolbar. You can just order, once it's in this mode, you can now move them in the order that you would like. You can even move your downloads over here, and you can move this over here. This is also an extension as well that automatically just comes with the Safari application. Alright, and then once you're done with that, you got them where you like them, you're all set. So basically that's it. Safari extensions, you probably noticed them there before and haven't really noticed how to add any new ones yourself, but now you do. And it's all right here in Safari extensions. And again, just a recap. Once you're in this page, it's as simple as clicking the ones you want, install now, go into Safari preferences and enable them here, and then go and use them. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tech tip today, and we'll see you next week. And for any more information, feel free to contact us here at the Rancho Santa Fe location, and we'll be glad to help.